Thni, 29. And mo ordeyach, the imperative, the ordering mood, I guess. We already just started that in the previous lesson. So this is just more of the same. You know the commands for most of them are just simple, the part of the verb, the main part of the verb, be, doen, tog, jane. What they add here, though, is the plural. If you're saying it to more than one person, you have to add a g, I, fada ending. Okay, so be gi, doen a gi. And you might have to add an I before that G to make it a slender G. Janagi, olagi, they're all the same. So that's all it is. So that's the plural commands. Na is the negative, as we saw in the previous lesson. With the greetings, they just add some practice with them, really. They're explaining what I already told you. You have Mashe Dahale, which is La Dahal, or La Verdal for multiple people. Mashe Verdale, those are the plurals. So it's practicing using these normal conversational things you already know, so it's an easy one.